Is your Chrome browser scrolling slower than a snail on your Ubuntu system? First, let's make sure Chrome is up to date. Type Chrome settings, help into your address bar and hit enter to check updates. If there's an update available, install it. Outdated browsers often have performance issues, and this is why we need to start here. Now dive into Chrome's settings again, this time searching for system or finding it under advanced settings. Here, toggle on use hardware acceleration when available. This setting drastically speeds up tasks like scrolling by using your computer's GPU. Next, navigate to the Ubuntu power settings. Usually you can find it under settings and then power. Ensure that your power mode is set to balanced or performance, because the power saver mode often throttles hardware performance, which affects scrolling smoothness. Excessive Chrome extensions can also slow things down. Type Chrome extensions into the address bar, then review your extensions and disable or remove any that you don't frequently use. Less is more. Another good trick involves Chrome flags. Type Chrome flags into the address bar and look for smooth scrolling. Then enable it if it's disabled. If nothing else works, then try resetting all Chrome flags to default by clicking the Reset All button found on the top right on the Chrome flags page. With these tweaks, you will be back to smooth, fast scrolling in Chrome on Ubuntu. Good luck!